So, you're a high school senior heading to Kettering University. Congratulations, you're a Bulldog now. Now you've probably heard that Co-op is an integral part of the Kettering educational program. And it's a lot to consider when you have to choose from more than 500 corporate partners. That's why I'm here. I'm a co-op manager at Kettering, and I'm going to help you prepare. But I'm not the only one. We have a whole team, and our job is to coach you through the best experience of your life. So, let's talk about what that means. You'll learn from experts within your degree program, and then transition into your co-op job. You could be learning about applied physics in class one semester, testing equipment on the Orion spacecraft for NASA the next, or even calibrating robots on a high-precision production system. Okay, so how do you get started? Well, by developing your resume and interviewing skills. But don't worry, I'll help you with those as we determine your goals and explore your options. I'll help you learn to communicate, talk confidently, even shake hands the right way. Together, we'll evaluate your co-op, plan for the next semester, and improve your competitive edge so you can find a career you're going to love. We're the experts at helping students go through the co-op process. Kettering University graduates have the highest starting salaries of Bachelor of Science graduates in Michigan, and nearly 100% of Kettering students have a job or are headed to graduate school upon graduation. If you're ready to be Kettering built, then we're here to help. To get started, visit kettering.edu/co-op.